Welcome guys to another episode of Boondock Nation. We are here in southern Idaho in the town of Twin Falls.
You might recognize this world famous bridge behind us. People go base jumping off this thing down over the Snake River into this canyon. This spot is absolutely beautiful.
This is kind of a hub for recreation as far as southern Idaho goes. So we're going to be doing some riding that's pretty close here to southern Idaho, as well as heading a little bit north, riding out of Fairfield and the Sawtooth Mountains. So we're pretty excited about it.
But we've never adventured here, so we're going to head into the visitor center and see what there is to do in Twin Falls while we get settled in. Here we go. Well, we are here inside the Twin Falls Visitor Center, and we're here with Melissa, who's going to tell us a little bit about the area, what we can do here, because we are unfamiliar.
Yeah, so welcome guys. We're really excited to have you here. Really, we're kind of like a summer destination, especially if you're interested in waterfalls. But we are excited that you are here to test some of our snowmobiling areas and really kind of get out and see some of the off-season stuff.
It's pretty crazy being down here and being like right on the edge of the desert, and obviously there's some good snowmobiling to be had.
So there's 3 different places, and I think the best ones are definitely Diamondfield Jacks and then up in the Fairfield area. And Fairfield is this great little spot that's got hidden gems areas all over. There's hot springs back there, some different warming huts, and I think it's just gonna be a really great place to go riding.
So we're looking for a place to eat tonight. We just got into town. What can you recommend for us?
There's just a plethora of stuff, but definitely for dinner, I would suggest Elevation or Milner's Gate.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Right on. Well, we're gonna check that out for sure. Well, we took Melissa's recommendation and we came downtown to Miller's Gate.
This building's from the early 1900s, and they've got a brewery here, a 10-barrel brewery, sweet bar. We looked it up online before we came in. So let's check it out. Hopefully they have some good beer.
Look at the antlers on the door. I mean, that's all.
There you have it, you guys. Milner's Gate. Get your dinner here in downtown Twin Falls. This was incredible.
I'm at a loss for words for this place. Not only was the food amazing, but the beer was absolutely outstanding.
We're gonna rest up tonight, maybe check on the sleds, dial them in a little bit. But tomorrow it's game on.
Best snow we've ridden all season. Here we go. Here we are in the truck, headed north. We're driving to the riding zone. Man, it looks like it might be an epic day.
As we're coming across the Camas Prairie here, looking up in the mountains over Fairfield, it's just stunning.
It is.
I mean, they're completely white. You can definitely tell it snowed because from the trees that we can see, they're just completely flocked.
Forgot to mention, we've got Lucas with us again. You guys probably saw him a little bit last season. He's off work right now, so he's gonna come and ride with us.
Yeah, we just threw a Bikeman Stage 1 on Luke's sled, rocking 18 Cat, one of our favorite sleds of all time.
Yep.
Guys, as Dylan said, we are traveling all over the state of Idaho this year, a little bit of Wyoming, and who knows, we might even make it out to California this spring. So Make sure to check us out on social media. We're all over Instagram, Facebook. So hit us up on there. Be sure to subscribe if you like what you see in these YouTube videos.
Yeah, please do. It helps us out a lot.
All right, guys, first POW day of 2021. Here we go.
See you there.
Well, this is something that you typically don't find outside of British Columbia, at least from what we've found.
Yeah, for sure. To be able to come in and warm up and eat your lunch and dry out some gear, whatever it is, in a place like this is just incredible. It's an experience that you definitely want to do if you have the opportunity to be able to do it.
Yeah, so thanks to the Northside Snow Riders and the Forest Service for putting this up. Let's warm up and check it out.
Come on in.
So far today has been freaking sweet. We found some awesome snow this morning. The snow's kind of drier up at these higher elevations. This is probably the highest we've gotten all day. We've been down mostly in the trees, just trying to play it safe. Avalanche danger is pretty high right now.
Yeah.
With this new storm.
Yeah, I mean, you can't even climb hills, so we have that going for us as far as playing it safe goes.
Yeah.
But anyways, follow us out. We're gonna head her back to the truck and play on our way back.
Yeah, it was a full day on the mountain for sure. We got a nice early start this morning.
We used all of our spare gas and all of our tanks.
And then some. But we're out of light, out of gas. The sun has gone down. And we're gonna head down to Twin Falls to have a couple beers. Here we are, guys. We're back in Twin Falls and we've made our way to a really cool spot that's perched right on the edge of the Snake River Canyon. In fact, I wish we would have made it back a little bit earlier so we could have seen this in the daylight.
Yeah, for sure. Super cool spot. We're hungry, so elevation 486, here we go.
It looks great. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Well, we just wrapped up an absolutely amazing dinner here at elevation 486.
Dylan and I both got the Idaho rainbow trout, which is caught like less than 50 miles from here, and it was to die for.
It was super good.
Everything from the bread to the apps to the entrees to the wine, it was all good.
And this place has got an awesome view here. It's 486 feet above the Snake River. Super sick view here in Twin Falls. I mean, you guys got to check this out for sure. We're gonna go run down to Kodo's. They got some live music. It's a brewery in town. Should be a really good time.
Well, I made it down the coast in 17 hours, picking me a bouquet of dogwood flowers, hoping for rally I can see my.
There's a lot of history here in downtown Twin Falls, and the Kodo family were actually Japanese American immigrants that got this building in 1920. Now it's Kodo Brewing. It's contemporary, it's sweet. The menu looks awesome, a little Japanese twist. They have like 20 some beers on tap, and about half of them are their own that they brew here. We love beer, let's check it out.
Yeah, we're big brewery guys here at Boondock Nation, obviously.
Oh, I love it.
Oh man, Twin Falls has sure treated us good while we've been here. Definitely a hub for motorsports in this area. All of the food, you know, restaurants, dealerships, all that kind of stuff here. The lodging's great and in close proximity to great riding too.
Yeah, we're big food guys, and the food we've had in Twin Falls here has been second to none.
We're gonna be coming back here in the summer, which we're excited about. It's very cool that you can go ride sleds or go play in the desert pretty much all year round.
Well, that's it for this episode here in Twin Falls, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, be sure to hit that subscribe button and drop us a comment below if you want to see something else.
Right on, guys. See you next time.